D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
Hey there, I'm Dineo and thank you for tuning in. Today's tutorial is how to achieve a fishtail ponytail. So if you're interested to know how to achieve this, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Ciao! You'll need wide tooth comb, water, Kanekalon hair, brush, Eco Styler gel, ribbons and bobby pins. Start by removing the rubber band on the Kanekalon hair and tie the hair with a ribbon. Simply loop the ribbon under the hair and pull it. Create some longer ends on the Kanekalon hair to make it more natural. Prepare for the gel by combing your hair and spritzing some water around the perimeter of your head. Apply the gel around the perimeter of your head and use the brush to further penetrate the product into your hair. Tie your hair into a bun. Then put a headscarf to lay your hair. Separate the Kanekalon hair into 2 equal parts. Then, grab a small chunk of Kanekalon hair that will be used to tie around the ribbon base. Take a small piece of your outer right hair and join it to your inner left hair. Then take a small piece of your left outer hair and join it to your inner right hair. Continue repeating this process. Don't you just love fishtails? I feel that they look so much more cooler than the conventional 3-strand braid. Take a small piece of your outer right hair and join it to your inner left hair. Then take a small piece of your outer left hair and join it to your inner right hair. Do you want another ponytail look? Well, check out my how-to ponytail on short, medium, 4C natural hair. Link is on the top right-hand corner. When you reach the ends, secure with a ribbon. When you tie the ponytail, make sure that it is above your bun and not below. Secure it with a bobby pin. Wrap around the hair that you put aside earlier. Then, secure that hair with some bobby pins. Time to snip those flyaways. Okay, so don't be lazy like me. Make sure you remove as many as possible. There you have it, how to achieve a faux fishtail ponytail. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, do best and support your girl. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment and share. Ciao!